Look at Boo. Look at how Boo's sitting in the cat tower. Boo's a happy boy. Stella, Splash, Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the lucky ferals. "7:36 a.m. Stella is sitting on that round thing. I don't even know what to call that round thing. Next to a little crunchy plate. She's like ready for breakfast. Splash is on a scratch and roll. Boo was just in my room playing with a toy. Now he came over here to see what's going on. And here's Simba. Simba was just in my room also. He's saying, "Where's breakfast? Where's breakfast?" For some reason, something is going on between Simba and Boo. Boo didn't do anything wrong. I'm trying something new today for the appetizer for the cats. So what I did was I took one of the freeze-dried nuggets that they love so much, and I sliced it into pieces. This one came out really good, the others not so much. And then I put the herbs on the freeze-dried nugget because I figured the herbs would kind of absorb into the dried nugget. And this was originally the one that I gave to Boo, but he didn't want it, and so he went and he ate Stella's. So now this is Stella's, but she doesn't want it. Simba ate his, Boo is eating Stella's, and Splash did not eat his. I just gave Boo the other one, the one that Stella did not eat and the one that Boo did not eat originally. Hopefully he'll eat it. It's not like he's going to be double dosed or anything because I did not put like a full dose on any of these. And Simba is going to eat Splashes. I mean, my main goal is to try to get these herbs into Boo. I just need to come up with ways of doing it. So today, instead of feeding the cats on platters, what I decided to do is just give them one of the raw nuggets on their crunchy plate. And they seem to be enjoying that. They're getting their venison nugget. Stella has decided she wants to remove the nugget from her plate, and she would rather eat it on the floor. Now, since I've been feeding the cats here in the kitchen, cleanup is much easier. This is a laminate floor, and after they're done and there's food debris on the floor, it's easy to see, and I just wipe it up. I gave Splash his food near the steps, but for some reason he doesn't want to eat it. I just moved his food downstairs. Maybe he'll eat it now. It is 8:06 a.m. All of the food has been eaten off of the crunchy plates. All of Splash's food has been eaten off of the crunchy plate. I don't know what that piece is on the tile. That might be that freeze-dried piece, or it could be some of the raw food. It's hard to see from where I am. I'm super zoomed in, and it's hard to tell in the viewfinder. So this cat charmer video has now become part of the cat's morning routine. So when I get out of the shower and I want to get dressed and ready for my day, I put the video on for the cats, and then it keeps them entertained while I do that. Otherwise, a lot of times they'll be like jumping on the bed and looking for pets and all kinds of stuff like that. Oh, okay. Sometimes they shut it off. But sometimes they know how to put it back on. But they all really enjoy it. And I think they know it's a game. So I don't think it frustrates them or anything. I think they understand that it's like a game for cats, and cats like to play. And I honestly think they understand the concept of like playing in a game. And what does Simba do? How does Simba turn it off? He has his paw on that corner, the corner with the on and off button. And Boo's hanging out here in the cat tower. He's watching from up here. You're a good boy, Boo. "8:32 a.m. The cats are now eating their second nugget of the morning. The new bribing food that I'm using is just part of a freeze-dried nugget. I just kind of crush them up and sprinkle some of the freeze-dried nugget dust on their food instead of crunchies. We're just going to see how that goes. Today will be day 5 with no crunchies. We have successfully gotten through 4 days with no crunchies. The only thing close to a crunchy that they get is the bench and field treats. And they only get a few each, like maybe 1, 2, or 3, because they are full of vitamins and minerals. And I feel like that's like a multivitamin for cats. Not that I am a fan of multivitamins, but it is a cat treat and that's what they get. Stella's sitting in her basket. Stella, can I move your basket over? Can I move your basket over? Look at Boo. Look at how Boo's sitting in the cat tower. Boo's a happy boy. Look at his 2 front paws. Boo loves the cat tower. It's 2 p.m. right now. I just got home. And there's Hydrox. He's hanging out on the patio chair. This morning it was raining, so I did not put any food out for him. But now it's not raining, so I think what I'm going to do is go inside, get some food, and then bring it out here and prepare it out here for him, because right now there's a live stream going on inside, and if I start making food for Hydrox, the cats are gonna get up, so I want to keep them in front of the camera. So yeah, just gave Hydrox half of a can of this Pride by Instinct Sherlock salmon recipe. He's still just sitting on the chair, which is surprising to me because a lot of times he'll just like jump off and run away, but I don't know. Maybe he's getting used to me. Want some food, Hydrox? Hydrox, want some food? I'm putting his food underneath this feeding table just in case it starts to rain because it's gray and it's just that kind of day. Hello, Hydrox. How are you, Hydrox? It is 6:56 p.m. and I just watched Sheba, Muffy, and etc's new video, and it was a video of them enjoying their cat grass, or really just Sheba enjoying her cat grass. Muffy didn't really like it much. She didn't have much interest in it, and it reminded me that I have some oat grass that was planted about 5 days ago that I have not given to the cats yet. So I think what I am going to do is give it to the cats for their dessert. Now, normally I prefer to give it to them as an appetizer because it is better for them to digest it first before their meal. But I'm thinking they might like it as a dessert because they've all been hanging around in the kitchen waiting for their dinner, but they've already eaten their dinner. Like, they ate their dinner about an hour or an hour and a half ago on that purple platter, but I guess they just don't remember. So I'm gonna put the cat grass down and we'll see what happens. And there they go. There's Stella and Simba digging into the oat grass. Flash is watching from the hallway and Boo is watching from a scratch and roll. It is 8:06 p.m. right now. Stella and Simba are in the cat towers. There's a live stream going on right now, and they're in the live stream. Splash is sitting on the sofa. This is like a first for Splash. He never goes on the sofa. Look, he's hanging out. There he is. Hello, Splash. The live stream just ended and I wanted to give a few shout outs. I want to thank Paul Carey for his $25 donation. Thank you so much, Paul, for your continued support of this channel. And I want to thank Jeffrey Moon, who donated $5 through Super Chat. Thank you so much, Jeffrey. The $5 will definitely be put to good use toward cat supplies. I also wanted to take some time right now to thank two special patrons this month, and I want to give a shout out to CR Barboni and also Abril. Thank you guys so much for your generous monthly support. It is definitely appreciated and helps to support the cats and this YouTube channel as well. So I thank you, and Boo thanks you. Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.